Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you look right on my screen, you're gonna be seeing this website. As you can see right here, Miratel. So this website will be launching on 28th of this November. So it will be launching on the 28th of this November. So, and I want all to participate on this website. So you just come right here. You can see the website right here. So if you come right here, you can see their any instructions right. You can see that registration is 3,500. Affiliate bonus, that is when you refer somebody, you're gonna be earning 2,600, which is high. Indirect affiliate 200. You can see that third generation bonus 100 naira. Daily survey 250. Welfare and publish posts 350 naira. So right here, I want us to focus on this affiliate bonus. So I want us to focus on this affiliate bonus. So that first link in description, so make sure you join the group. It's WhatsApp group. Just join the group. There I'll be teaching you how you can get referrals. So even if you're a beginner, you don't know how to get referrals, you don't know how to, you are just a novice, I will teach you how to get referrals. I will teach you how to get traffic. I will teach you step by step so that you can be earning affiliate bonus. So when you get somebody to register, you're gonna be earning 2,600 as an affiliate bonus. So right here, you come right, you can see this website right here. It's going to be massive. So this website is going to pay massively when they will launch. So right here, as I said earlier, the first link in this description, this video description, just the first link, just join the group so that you will learn the skills on how you can make money with this platform. So and don't just say that I can't do it. You can do it because people that are making money online, they are human being like you. So people that are making money online, they are human being like you. So you cannot just stay and watch people making money online and you think that everything is a scam. Every opportunity is not a scam. So it's just for you to grab opportunity. So right here, so and another thing I want you to do is just to share this video. It's very, very important. Just click on that share button and share this video on your social media like WhatsApp, Facebook. Just share this video. It's very, very important. I want this video to go viral. Just share this video. So right here you can see the website Miratel. So make sure you join the group. Make sure you join the group. I want all to make money with this website. It will be launching on this month 28th. So I want us to make money on this platform. So if you don't know me, or if this is your first time on my channel, my name is Emmanuel. Basically what I do in this channel is that I make videos on how to make money online. What I do is that if I try this online, if I find out something working or something making me money, I record video by showing you guys what I'm doing so that I can do the same thing and get same results. So all I want you to do for me, if you have not yet subscribed, just click that subscription button and turn on notification so that anytime I drop a video on how to make money online, you'll be the first to get notification, to get notified that I've actually dropped a video. So that is why it's good for you to turn on notification so that anytime I drop a video, YouTube will notify you that I've actually dropped a video. So subscribe and don't forget to share this video. And join the group for more information. So thank you for watching.